Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by turning on gesture navigation so swipes trigger actions. Open Settings, go to System or Gestures, then choose Gesture Navigation and enable the swipe handle for Assistant. Make sure the Google app is updated. Outdated versions block features. Once done, confirm Assistant permissions for microphone and accessibility so the gesture can invoke the service reliably. These steps let your device map an edge swipe to Google Assistant, which is faster than tapping buttons and reduces screen clutter. Now customize how the swipe behaves so it matches your habits. In the Google app, go to Settings, then Voice or Assistant Settings and look for gesture options. Pick edge swipe, long swipe, or two-finger swipe depending on your launcher. Adjust sensitivity and hold duration to avoid accidental triggers, and enable accessibility shortcuts if you rely on assistive features. Once configured, practice a few swipes to internalize timing. These tweaks reduce false positives and make invoking Assistant feel instant and intentional. Finally, use the swipe to run everyday tasks. Say directions, set timers, send messages, or trigger shortcuts. When you swipe, speak naturally. Assistant recognizes casual phrasing. That's why training voice match helps. If swipes stop working, restart your phone first, verify microphone and accessibility permissions, and reinstall or update the Google app. If problems persist, reset gesture settings or test with a different launcher. As a last resort, backup data and consider a factory reset, but try permissions and app repairs before that.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.